so I'm going to explain about communicative and discourse analysis. So the definition of communicative and discourse analysis, it refers to a way of a definition of a concept or term by considering how it is used in communication and interaction. And it is also takes into account that how a term functions in communication and how it is employed by speakers into a various contexts. So the next one, I'm going to talk about the communicative component. So there are several components in communicative. Like the first one is the speech acts. So the speech act refers to making statement, asking questions, giving comments, or making promises. The second one is the coherence and the cohesions. Coherent refers to the overall sense or unity of a discourse. And for the cohesion, it involves the linguistic devices. And in the third one, there is a genre and register. Genre refers to types of forms of discourse, and the registers, it also refers to the discourse, and such as the conversation, interview, academic papers, or news. And the next component is intertextuality. Intertextuality involves the relationship between different texts and how one text refers to quotes. And then the next one is the pragmatics. Pragmatics deals with the study of a language in context. And the next component is power and ideology. Discourse analysis often explores power, relationship, and ideological dimension within communication. And the next component is turn-taking and conversational structure. It means that in spoken discourse, the organization of turns and sequences is crucial. And a discourse analysis study how speakers take turns, respond to each other, and create conversational situations. About factors influencing communicative. So there are several factors that influence the communicative in discourse analysis. Like the first one is the context. So the context here, it includes the situational context and the cultural context. And the second one is the participants. The participant include identity and social roles, and then the power dynamics in the participants. And the next one is the purpose of the communication, the goal of communication, and the speech act theory. And the next one is the genre and discourse community, whether it is genre conventions and discourse community. And the next one is the language features. Is it lexical or syntax and grammar? And the next one is nonverbal communication, body language. And the last one is intertextuality, reference and allusions.
Okay, I'm Rizka Febriantini. I will continue to explain about the cognitive ability. In the context of discourse, cognitive ability refers to the mental processes involved in producing and comprehending language. These processes include first, attention, the ability to focus on and select relevant information from the environment. Second, perception, the ability to organize and interpret sensory information. Third, memory, the ability to store and retrieve information. Fourth, language production, the ability to generate words, phrases, and then sentences in meaningful way. The last one is the language comprehension, the ability to understand the meaning of words, phrases, and sentences. Cognitive abilities play a crucial role in the discourse as they enable individuals to effectively communicate their thoughts and ideas to others. Discourse analysis often focuses on how cognitive abilities are manifested in language use. For example, researchers might examine how individuals use different linguistic structures to convey or how they adapt their language use to suit different audiences and situations. Here is the examples of how cognitive abilities are used in the discourse. When we give direction, we need to use clear and concise language that is easy for the listener to follow. This requires us to pay attention to the listener's perspective and to anticipate their needs. Next is about the components of cognitive ability. The components of cognitive ability in discourse analysis can be broadly categorized into two main areas. linguistic abilities. These abilities are related to the knowledge and use of language itself. They include lexicon, grammar, syntax, semantics, and then pragmatics. The second one is the cognitive processes. These abilities are related to the mental processes involved in using language. They include attention, perception, memory, inference, and reasoning.
Hi guys, my name is Sarin Fadila. I am the third presenter from Group 4. I would like to present about connection between communicative and cognitive abilities. Cognitive abilities are very complex set of skills that are part of what is called cognitive. Cognitive processes include abilities related to orientation, attention, memory, sequencing and planning, perception, social behavior organization, and emotional regulation. When a person's cognitive function is affected, skills related to speech, language, and communication can also be affected. Cognitive communication abilities are those thought processes that allow humans to function successfully and interact meaningfully with each other. Alright, in language itself may be viewed as another cognitive communication process with many parts that include auditory comprehension, verbal expression, speech intelligibility, reading, writing, and social skills. Okay, the first is auditory comprehension. It is the ability to understand and interpret spoken language. It is effective communication, including conversation. The second one is verbal expression. It is to convey thought, ideas, and information through spoken language. It allows individuals to articulate their thought or share information. And then the third is speech intelligibility, is the degree to which spoken language can be easily understood by others. It is crucial for successful communication. And then the fourth is reading, to access information, expand their knowledge, and engage with a wide range of written materials. And then the fifth is writing. It allows individuals to communicate complex ideas, share information, and express creativity in a written format. And the last is social for building positive relationship, collaborating in group setting, and navigating social interaction. They contribute to successful communication in personal and professional environment. Okay, the next is impact on daily life. So, for impact on daily life, there are two: personal relationship, and then the second one is professional success. So for personal relationship, effective communication fosters positive relationship, while cognitive abilities contribute to understanding and empathy. And then the second is professional success. Strong communication skills are often crucial in the workplace, and cognitive abilities support problem solving and decision making. So, in summary, understanding and nurturing both communicative and cognitive abilities contribute significantly to an individual's overall competence, influencing their interaction, relationship, and achievement across various life domains. Continuous learning and adaptation play key roles in the ongoing development of these abilities. Alright, I think that's all about our explanation about understanding and review communicative and cognitive abilities. So, bye bye. Thank you.